Hi, welcome back to my vlog, Piece of Life, and today I am excited to share with you my blogger bag, and it's the YSL blogger bag. Now I've had this for a little bit, but I've gotten lots of questions about it. I think now that the weather's getting warmer as we are into spring, summer, it's just a great bag. Crossbodies are kind of like the it bag right now. I used to be a person who never carried a crossbody. I always felt like I needed a big bag, but this is my go-to bag. I love this bag, and I have to say I carry my Louis Vuitton Palm Spring a ton. But I want to tell you about this little puppy here. I'm in love with it. I love the size of it. I love this little tassel. I love this silver detail on it and the hardware. I love this strap too because it's leather, so it's very pliable. So it looks great as a crossbody. You can shorten it if you want to wear it under your arm. You can also put the straps in the bag if you want to wear it for a clutch for an evening out. So it really does go day to night, casual to dressy. So I think it's a great bag. Now it's a little bit smaller than your typical crossbody, but it does fit quite a bit into it. So really, you guys, you have to just think about what you really need during the day. It's like I used to carry a huge bag and I put so much stuff in it that I never actually used. So think about the necessities that you really need. So what I'm gonna do a little bit different, I'm going to put in, usually people take out what's in their bag. I'm gonna put what I can fit into my bag and what I actually really need and what I'm actually really gonna use. So again, I'm gonna unzip this bag, show you the inside. You know, it's not huge, but it is a great bag. It's great for being on the run, being hands-free. It's great for an evening out. If you're going out, crossbody. I'm gonna show you one other quick trick too to do with this. So, but this is what you probably really wanna know, what fits in this bag. So let's start with the necessities, right? You can't go anywhere without your keys, God forbid, right? So you gotta have your car keys. Those fit right in there. Boom, perfect fit. Then let's see, I think card holder is always really good too. So you wanna do your card holder. So this one is the Louis Vuitton Supreme collaboration, and I just got it, so I haven't used it much, but it fits quite a bit in there. So that would go right in here. But there are little slots in here for card holders, but I like having a separate card holder because sometimes I just want to carry my car keys and just my card holder. Okay. I know you're thinking about phone. Okay. So I took the plunge. I needed a new phone. My old phone kept on stopping on me. It kept on locking me out. I'd be typing and it would stop. So I ended up getting the iPhone 10. Now the beauty of the iPhone 10, it is quite smaller than the 8 and the 7, but the screen is bigger. So basically you're not getting that border and the screen is bigger. So that is the thing. It doesn't really fit in here because I have a case, and I mean, well actually, I could probably make it fit in there. Yeah, I mean, no, I could. If I tuck the little tips in here, it would fit in there. I guarantee you the 8 will not fit in here. The 7, the 6 won't fit. But the 10 is smaller. And I got this cute little case too. But I typically carry my phone in my hand, but I don't want to sway you from getting this bag because you can fit the phone. And if you take the case off, you can 100% fit the phone in there. So there you go. So the phone fits in there. You've got to have your gum. I usually love Mentos, but I've been getting the Trader Joe's gum, and it's sugarless and it's good. So pop that in there. You want to have gum. Just trust me, you always need your gum with you. Then I found these cute little Kleenexes, and it says believe in yourself. I love that. So I always need these for whatever reason. So gotta get those in there. That fits in there. Also, I always want to keep like a little lip balm on me. This one I got from Whole Foods, and it's by Eco Lips, and just the name, the flavor alone, I was sold on it. It's called Vanilla Honey, and it smells so wonderful. I wish it was a scent. So again, it's by Eco Lips, and it comes in different colors, or sorry, flavors, but this one's Vanilla Honey, so I love that. That fits right in there too. And then I ended up getting the Fenty lip gloss. I know this was such a hype. I have it on now. I'll put a little bit more on. You can hear my voice. It sounds a little whiny, huh? I just don't know if it's worth the hype. You tell me what you guys think if you have it. But I do wear it over like a liner. I don't typically wear it on its own, but I do love the smell of it. So that fits in there too. So again, quite a bit fits in here. And then I also love a hand sanitizer, like when you're pumping gas, if you're at a restaurant and you can't make it to the restroom or there's a long line, if you're at a game or a concert, pumping gas is my number one thing. I mean, I can't even touch my steering wheel without this. So this one is really good. It's lavender organic hand sanitizer. I want to say I got this also from Whole Foods, and it smells wonderful. So even when you spray it, it smells good. So if you're in a cramped spot, like at the movie theaters, on an airplane, not only does it sanitize your hands, but it kind of sanitizes the air. I know we've talked about this before, but it's true. So that would fit in here too. Okay, it's getting a little tight. And then I also have this little cuticle. It's from L'Occitane, and it's really great. You just put this around your cuticles. So a lot of times if I'm just in the car, you know, if I'm with somebody driving or I have a minute, I like just to put some of it on my cuticles because my cuticles get so dry. This stuff is so good. It's like crack for your cuticles. So that fits in there. Okay, so we pretty much fit everything in there. Now I'm going to zip it. Boom. So everything fits in here. Yes, it is very tight, but it does fit. The other thing too is sunglasses. So it's kind of up to you what's important. So maybe you don't need the Kleenex and the hand sanitizer and you put a compact in there. You know, maybe you don't need some of the things I put in there and you can put sunglasses in there. These probably would fit fine. I just got these. They're so, I've never had a pair of white sunglasses. And I thought they were kind of cool, like just to rock. Like today I'm wearing just my Air Force trainers, my white Air Force trainers, which I'm obsessed with and I will talk to you about in another video. So sunglasses, I don't typically put my sunglasses into my handbag because if I don't have the case, I don't want it to get scratched. But I always think it looks cool just putting it on there, or you can just put it on the top of your head, whatever's easier. But quite a bit fit in there. It's a little cramped. So if there's anything in here that I put that you don't need, you can always take out. There is a little side slit here too. So what I would maybe do is, even like my card holder, like I said, I don't need to have that in here, which doesn't take up a ton of space. But you could also just put your card holder on in this back little slot here. Would fit fine, or even just, you know, to the side. So that's something too to think about. But what I wanted to show you, and I showed you this in another video, is so this bag is great again because it's a crossbody. Now I'm tall, and I'm gonna take the sunglasses off, and it hits me in a really good length for me. Like, you know, I love it. And you can, if you are a little bit more petite, you can always take it and you can make it shorter. But the great thing about this belt, I'm gonna take this belt off. I say belt, it's actually a handbag, sorry. But the great thing about this YSL crossbody is that, and I've shown this in another video, is that you can make this crossbody into a belt bag, which is so great. Belt bags are so in, and I really don't wanna invest in one. It's not something that I would probably carry all the time, but it's just like a trend I really haven't gotten into. But the fact that you can take one of your crossbodies and you can make it into a belt bag, I think is pretty clever. I just think it's easy, and you can use any handbag that you have that's a crossbody, and you can just kind of loop it over. So if you're out at night and you want to be hands-free, if you're going, I don't know, to an amusement park, or if you're just going to like a farmer's market and you just don't want to carry anything, you can make this into a crossbody. Look how cute that is. And you're just like ready to go. Or if you're going on a night out and you just don't want to spend the money on, you know, a crossbody, you can just do this yourself. So basically I just looped it through, and then I just made it into a crossbody. I think that's amazing. So this bag really is, there's so many things you can do with it. You can make it into a crossbody, you can wear it, you can make it into a belt bag, you can wear it as a crossbody, you can also wear it, you know, under your arm as a short bag. You can also make it into like a little clutch. I love the little tassel. I love the silver hardware. It does come in gold hardware, and it also comes in different colors. But I think this is just a great bag to have. I mean, I'd say it's pretty affordable. I don't know if the price has gone up since I've received it, but I love this bag. If you have any other questions about it, please let me know. And really think about the things you use, because sometimes I used to carry a compact in my bag, but I very rarely touch up my makeup. Once I leave, I'm really good about setting spray. I got one from Kat Von D. I think it's called Lock It, and it really does like lock in your makeup. So I really feel like using a spray mist to kind of lock in your makeup really helps you from not having to like blot and add more powder to your skin. So if you have any more questions about this, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any of the things I showed, please let me know. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really enjoyed doing this. This is a fun outlet for me. And my video is called Peace of Life. So again, do something peaceful for yourself. And remember in every moment that you are a peaceful being, you are a powerful being, and you are a loving being. I think it's so important to take time and really think about those things, like what you put in your mind and how you feel about yourself really does impact your life, and it manifests it. So just saying I'm a happy being, I'm a peaceful being, I'm a kind being, I'm a powerful being is so important, because you are. And I'd love to make this a little group. I'll be back again to share more things with you. If you like my video, please take a moment to subscribe. And if you liked anything on my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me. Oh, and really quickly, I'm going to show you this candle here. It's called Lavender Sea. It's from Bath & Body, and it truly smells like lavender sea. And it's a mermaid collection, which I am obsessed with, because come on, everybody wants to be a unicorn or mermaid. I love the ocean, so I am definitely a mermaid. And then I got this little thing here too, because my, oh, I hate to sound whiny, that was annoying, okay? But just annoyed myself. But this is, my video is called Peace of Life, and I love this little peace sign, and it's like a little jewelry tray. I think it'd be a great little gift. I got it from Forever 21, and it was literally only $4.90. What a cute little gift. So I have it right there. So again, peace of life, do something peaceful for yourself, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.